of Arabic letters that shares the same rules. And one thing I would like to mention here, this is a great thing when it comes to Arabic alphabet, because instead of learning 4 different techniques to 4 different shapes, uh, luckily we have those 4 following the same rules when it comes to handwriting and also typing. What you see right in front of you right now is basically the shapes of all those 4 letters that appears on the keyboard, on the social media, the news. All right, so they're gonna look like this. All right, they're gonna look like this. Those letters starting with, we're gonna start with the letter B, sound B in English. That's ba. The name of this letter is ba. All right, so this one is ba as B. Then T, ta, the name of it. Then tha, th, tha, and noon, n, sounds as n, noon. Okay. Now this shape right here, all these shapes, that's the end of the word shape. And we're also going to talk about how they're going to look like, or change shapes when they're going to be placed in the beginning or middle of the word. And also, so as you can see right here, the end of the word stays the same. The only thing that you might need to know, that at the end of the word you have a little connector. Okay. All right, so without further ado, let's go to the handwriting of these letters. So ba, okay, ta, all right, tha, all right, and noon, okay. All right. Now, another note that I would like you to know, when it comes to the ba, it's all right, but when it comes to the ta, sometimes native Arabic speakers will write the two dots as a little line like this. Okay, little line like this. And the reason behind this is to speed up the handwriting without lifting your pen or pencil off the paper. Okay, and for the tha, you might see it sometimes. Instead of the 3 dots, they will write number 8, little tiny number 8 in Arabic, or little mountain. Okay, this represents the 3 dots. This represents the 2 dots. So in case you see this in handwriting, or if you like to practice speeding up your handwriting, you can also write it like this. Okay. The noon, the only difference here when it comes to the noon has a little shorter bowl. Okay, little shorter bowl right here. So, and so again, that's for the noon. But for to remember, the smiley face is the smiley face right here. This one right here is the T. So how to remember T from, let's say, the. I would say with T, you almost smile when you say T, ta, T. So ta, 2 dots on top. Okay. All right. So now let's talk about how to write them as initial or middle of the word. So with, let's say, if I want to write this right here, I go like ba. All right. Then ta. Then tha. Then noon. All right, see the way I did it, I wrote the shapes without the dots, then I will add the dots to speed up your writing. Okay, to speed up your writing. So if I want to write it normally as a native speaker, I will go like this, you see, then I will add the dots. All right, the main important part here, when you're about to write let's say the beginning, or this right here matters. You see, the curves matter. So just remember to distinguish the curves and make them big enough. All right. So be, te, the, nun. Okay. And I think this is it when it comes to those 4 letters. So if I want to write this and this, like the be and the te together, all right, it's going to be like be, te. Okay, bet or bit. That pronunciation is a totally different, subject that we're going to talk later about, because we have the vowels in Arabic all appears as different shapes. But don't worry about this part. We're gonna get to this part in future videos. All right. But for now, let's say if I want to write those two right here, which is the and ne. So let's go like this. The, ne. All right. I think this is straightforward and simple to just matter of practice. So I would definitely recommend you to practice to get familiar with all these 4 letters. Okay, be, te, the, ne. All right, cool. I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you in more videos in the future. Have a wonderful one.